Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we'll see how to draw this sum. It's a plane scale sum. RF is given 1/500 and maximum length is 60 meters. So first we will write given data, representative fraction, which is 1/500. So you need to write in full form. Then maximum length to read up to 60 meters. Then we know the formula, length of scale is equal to RF into ml. So RF is 1/500 into 60 into 100 will give me 12 centimeter. So I'll mark 12 centimeter as length of scale. So this is actually how much? 60 meter. And we'll take height 5 millimeter. And we'll draw this line. So 60 meter is right now I'm drawing as 12 centimeter. Now in how many parts I should divide this? 6 parts. So I'll divide this line into 6 parts. So I'll get 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And this is 10 over here. So we'll write meter on both the sides. So here we'll write meter. Here also we'll write meter. And here RF, which is 1/500. Now we'll divide the first part into 10 equal parts. Let's say we need to show, it will be given in the question that show 12 meter, 10 meter and 8 meter. So what I will do, I will divide the first part 0 to 10 into 10 parts. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this lower part is 8 meter. Then if you want 12, then you take 2 from here and 10 from here. You'll get 12. And if you want 10 meter, then this is 10. One block is 10 meter. So I hope everyone understood how to solve this sum. Thank you.